114, southeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, until 2 p.m. At 1:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Blanchardville to near Winslow, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Brodhead, New Glarus, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Blanchardville, Dayton, Browntown, Attica, Judah, and Jordan Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.